This is an overview of Green Beacon Solutions' grant management solution built on Microsoft Dynamics CRM. We begin with my dashboard, where I can instantly see any outstanding tasks I need to complete, any approvals that are currently on my plate to review, as well as any active grants or programs that I'm currently administering. Using the quick search, I want to go and pull up some of the clean energy grants that I'm currently administering. As I pull up the Clean Energy Choice grant, we can currently see that it's approved and active. We can see when it's been awarded, as well as the total grant amount that we have and any awards that we've given out, plus our total remaining budget. As the grant initially kicked off, it went through an approval process. Within Microsoft Dynamics CRM, there is a very powerful workflow engine that allows you to define business processes to support the entire life cycle of a grant. We'll pull up the approval. Based on the approval type, workflows are kicked off behind the scenes, which automatically route approval tasks to the appropriate individuals. We can see now for this new program that specific individuals were automatically created and routed for approvals, but we can add and augment that as necessary. Once approved, the funds become available to us. We can take the funds, spread them over multiple fiscal years, and then create solicitations to have vendors and organizations and people be able to come and submit applications for funding. Against the solicitation, we can have different types of solicitations. We can see that this one is for $1.85 million, and we've awarded just over $100,000 of that to date. Against a single solicitation, we can have multiple applications. The applications can come in, go through a review and approval process. If reviewed and approved, the application itself, in this case for $25,000, will have a work order issued to it, more or less the contract that will define the work that needs to be performed and the steps in which this company is going to go and perform them. We can look at the applications specific to each solicitation, or we can also review them at the grant level itself. So this would be a list of all applications for this entire grant. So once we have approved applications, those will automatically create both projects and work orders. Projects will be the specific projects defining milestones and metrics and other types of activities that we want to be able to track. The work orders themselves will be the financial component to this, where against each work order, this will be the contractual obligation between, in this case, the town of Acton and our organization on the work that they're going to be performing with specific deliverables, and those deliverables can then be tied to the financial system for the tracking of invoices. So at this point we can see that the original funding that was given out, as well as any invoices that have come in against this particular work order. As we close the work order out, we can then come back and track the overall progress of the grant, where we're at, and funds that we still have available for applications. We'll manage this program through its entire life cycle, maximizing the workflow process to automate as much of that as we can. The program itself will eventually go through till all funds are consumed or potentially the program ends prematurely. Green Beacon Solutions is a Microsoft Gold certified partner, and we've been implementing CRM solutions for over 10 years, specializing in the development and implementation of solutions within the government space. Thank you and have a good day.